What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a cake that has just been baked fresh from the oven, and after using the special prompt, this cake can have a very beautiful cake decoration, and the theme is about the pinkish butterfly, and you will see the decoration here, or the details like the edible butterfly and also the floral frosting, and also the sprinkles shaped like the love and also the pearl. How to create this decoration? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use the another AI image generator, don't worry guys, you can do the experiment with it, and here I will also share you the prompt to create this transformation or the cake decoration. And after that, you can continue to click try Nano Banana down here, and I will upload the picture of a cake that has not been decorated. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. Basically, the prompt would be like this: an exquisite and elaborate cake decoration on the round cake provided in the initial image. The entire top surface of the cake is covered with the rich, vibrant pink buttercream frosting, and also applied with the texture brush technique on one side, and adorned with the small white edible pearl and tiny pink heart-shaped sprinkles. So this is the look of the output, and also the other half of the frosted top is heavily decorated with the densely piped buttercream roses and small blossom like this one in the varying shade of pink, from the deep fuchsia to the lighter pink. This is the deep fuchsia and this is the lighter pink guys. And after that, you can add the elegant flat non-standing butterfly decoration in the ombre pink shade from the light to dark, and are artfully placed on top of this texture and pipe frosting. This is the butterfly, and also the side of the round cake are also frosted with the pink with scattered irregular frosting patch, and mimicking a playful artistic design. And overall aesthetic is very elegant, visually rich, and distinctly feminine, with a clear emphasis on the intense pink hues, intricate piping work, and beautifully integrated butterfly appliques. So this is the prompt guys, and here I will put it into the description box too, and you can simply copy it. And you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, this is actually the same prompt that I used before to create or to transform this cake picture to have this cake decoration guys. However, if you feel like not really satisfied about the result, don't worry, because you can still rerun this prompt by clicking this rerun this turn or in this section. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also you can inform us or let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.